At Rose Villa Senior Living, they started vaccinating people at 10 this morning, and they're going to continue throughout the day. Officials say 180 staff and residents will receive the first of the 2 Pfizer doses at Rose Villa. After long-term care facilities, assisted living and retirement communities are next in line. Authorities say it will likely take several months for the majority of seniors in Oregon and Washington to be vaccinated. Most facilities plan to maintain safety measures like wearing masks, distancing, limiting visits, and mandatory quarantine for residents who leave and visit family outside the community.
We're going to still wear PPE. We're still wearing masks. It's not like tomorrow everyone's immune, but the feeling, the emotional release of after months of hard work, it feels like there's finally, the cavalry has arrived. The vaccine is going to help us stay safe.
In the next phase, the CDC recommends people 75 and older and frontline essential workers to be next in line to get the vaccines. The group includes police, teachers, and grocery store workers. The phase after includes people ages 65 to 74 and people over the age of 16 with underlying health conditions. It also includes other essential workers like people who work in banking, court officials, and transportation. I'm Bryant Clerkley, KGW News.